Hey, okay, we're back on the scene at Bunker Hill, and it's, let's see, August 25th. It's like 84 degrees and muggy, really muggy. It's been pretty quiet today. Posted that little video earlier. That's about all that's going on. I've been doing some research and other things, and I wanted to go over a few things, and I'm gonna try to do it here at the scene. The Wi-Fi is not working great, but let's see what we can do. So let's talk about the Berkely County Sheriff Department. So does this make it? That's not gonna work, is it? Too much. Yeah, it might be too much glare. Might be better off, but okay, so you can see the cover page. It says, "Live with honor, serve with pride." I don't know. You all that have been watching, you tell me. Are they serving with pride? Are they living with honor? Let's see. To protect and serve. To protect and serve. Maybe, Officer Strickler, that is until you get tired of being called. To protect and serve. Let's see. The vision statement. What does that say? Through our dedication to the community that we serve and our commitment to professional excellence, the Berkely County Sheriff's Department seeks to become a department that is known for its responsiveness to the needs of this community and to be recognized as being a true leader among all other law enforcement agencies. Okay, you guys, I don't know. Make your own judgments. What do you think, State Farm? Jake from State Farm, do you think Berkely County is serving the community's needs? I wanted to where's the mission statement? Here we go. The mission statement was, if we turn it this way, it might be formatted to where we can read it easier. To protect and serve the citizens of Berkely County through the to protect and serve the citizens of Berkely County through the fair and just delivery of community policing services in a manner that is consistent with the highest standards of performance within the law enforcement profession. What do you think, everybody? Are they acting fair? Is it fairly? Are they delivering their policing fairly? Or does 1776 get preferential treatment from West Virginia? What do you think? Wonder what Buttercup thinks about that. So that's the Berkely County Sheriff page. And then, so when I called and I talked to the lieutenant, I believe it's Lieutenant Burns. Don't quote me on that because I don't have my notes right here handy. But I called, talked to him about several things, and one thing I asked him was, how do I file a FOIA request? How to do a Freedom of Information Act request? Oh, he got hot. He did not know. Nobody in the office knew. He couldn't tell me anybody that knew. He told me to call back and talk to Captain Gardner. Then he told me even if I filed one, it was questionable whether the information would be available to me. All kinds of crazy stuff he said to me. So if we go on the website and we look under services, see what kind of services they offer. Sorry about the quality over here. But here we go. Report request. To request a copy of any report, which I guess is there any freedom of information, any kind of information you want. This must be it. You will need to fill out the request completely and bring it to the Sheriff's Department. Types of reports available: accident, incident, animal control. Cost $20 per report, flat rate, paid at pickup. Okay, first of all, they're trying to say that you have to use their form. You have to bring it to the office. And then when it's ready for pickup, you have to pay $20. Cash or money order. Exact. Let's see. Please specify the time and request. And if available, photos, body cam footage. There's an additional $20 fee for each item. We're going to talk about that fee some more. Of course, right there. Here we go. Let's zoom in. BCSD reserves the right to redact particular details on any report. This is very vague. This is too vague, guys. This is, in my opinion, this is not legal. Reserves the right to redact particular details on any report. That is way too vague. Now, they can redact things of a personal nature, social security numbers, maybe phone numbers of the other party, things having to do with minors, but it looks to me here like they leave it open to redact anything they want to. Certain ongoing investigation reports will not be released. So all they have to do is claim that there's an ongoing investigation, and they're not going to try to release it. Note that each case is unique and completion time frames vary. Now look at this. They don't even give you a time frame here. Like, they're not telling you how long they have to fill this out. And as far as information on how to do a FOIA request, that's it. That's all it says there. So first of all, let's say that FOIA requests can be made in person, over the phone, by email. Maybe a department has a preference or a policy, but you can make a FOIA request in many different ways. You don't have to use, according to federal law, you don't have to use the exact form that the department wants you to. You can write it on a piece of paper. The last FOIA request I did in Florida, it was just sent in an email. That's how they preferred it. So that's how I did it. So I was going to walk in and file the FOIA request, and I decided to look on their website and see how they wanted us to do it. So I pulled up the form, and I went to a UPS print store, I think, and had the forms printed up. Look right there. It says it's going to cost you $20 to pick up a report. $20. I'm looking at that and I'm like, excuse me? $20 for a piece of paper? UPS charged me 25 cents a piece for these copies, and I have plenty. If anybody wants a report request form for Berkely County, just stop by and get one. I have them now. I'll probably be out later, maybe later tonight. I'll probably have them here tomorrow. What kinds of things can you ask for? You can ask for anything. You want to know what somebody in the sheriff's department is getting paid? Get a form. Ask them. How much are their vehicles worth? What's the fuel mileage in their vehicles? Do you want information about a specific incident? Do you want to know who's giving donations? Oh, that might be an interesting question. Where are they getting donations from? Payoffs, donations. You can get expenditures. You can find out anything you want. So, back to this $20. Yeah, that's unreasonable. Most state laws require that the fee be reasonable, because one of the purposes for the Freedom of Information Act is to allow the public to have access to information concerning our governmental agencies and how things are conducted and neighborhood crime or whatever. This website kind of stinks. There's another part of the website that says, in order to be more, oh, here's some information on trespassing. Wait a minute.